This is the part 2 of the better alternative expressions video. I shared the first one a couple of days ago and I told you I'll be sharing more and more. Hey everybody, my name is Mehdi and welcome to Speaklet. In this video, we're gonna learn 5 different expressions with better alternatives. Number 1. Calm down, relax, chill out, take a chill pill. Number 2. Be quiet. Please be quiet. Shh. Keep it. Number 3. It's expensive. It's pricey. It's a rip-off. That's spendy. Number 4. It's cheap. It's affordable. It's a steal. Dirt cheap. Number 5 and the last one. I'll pay. I'll pay for this. It's on me. My treat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think that's a beneficial video for you, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel.